our merchandise rail on wheels. First off, you have all dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 59 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 6 3/4 inches with wheels. Minus the wheels, we have 1.5 inches. And for the height of the caster wheels, we have 4 inches. The distance for each rail, we have 13 inches by 26 3/4 inches in depth. This applies for each opening in this rail. Included are 8 brackets, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, and 1 each located on the right and left side. Also included will be support braces to hold each rail. Each rail can be cut down to size, whether if it's the length or the depth. We have our ice cream dipping cabinets on top of a rail. Coming below, we have our brackets holding the freezer, along with the corner braces on each end. Again, we have our bracket holding the chest freezer in the front and back, along with the corner brackets. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.